Bitcoin and altcoin are about to melt some faces, boys. If you want to know how to trade this breakout properly, please watch this whole video. Oh, I've given all the setups from the previous videos. I am long and strong right now, so let's get into the charts. Okay, so this was the setup that I gave to you guys from my previous video. If you guys watched this Bitcoin alert, I did the TA for you guys, and this one I did the TA to you and I explained to you what my plan was for Bitcoin during the NFP week, and I told you guys what I did. And yesterday, I also gave you guys a long for Solana, and I am in little bit of profits. I mean, it's a lot, boys. Like, uh, making 50% from this move up. So I'm very, very happy with that. And hopefully you guys also caught that long from Solana. So let's go into the charts, explain to you why I long this. So if I could remember, I think this probably there was like PDEQ and there was like a naked point of control here. If you could see this, and the volume profile is just screaming about this bounce. So I did get stopped out on this one, which was an L, and I didn't long this because there was I think there were some levels here in this value area low, and uh, as what I can saw from the order flow, there were nobody was longing, and we were like one time framing on the 4 hours, so I didn't really touch that. This one though was very, very slow. It was like at the end of the day going on to Asia session. And at first it was, if we go down to the 30 minute, at first like I actually long I think I longed at this one, but then I got stopped out because it had another move down before going higher. So this is very sad for me because I would have made like $1,000 from this move up. But thank God my buy here, and I got stopped out because I think there was like probably my stop loss was a bit too tight and it just left without me. But I got into just Solana long before I went to sleep, and I'm very happy. So I tried to long it twice, took profits, then I longed again, and actually gave another entry after posting my video yesterday. So if you guys caught this one, I just held on to the long, and then it's finally paying off as what I've said from the last video. I'll start getting 155 or even 160. Now there's a resistance here at 157. If we do get a pump today for NFP, I think stocks are pumping too. So hopefully we get a pump and blast through this before making a retracement. So I'm hoping to take some profits off here. I'm going to shave some off here and then just swing the rest. All right. So if you do want to get into a long right now, this is sad, but guys, I gave you the setup and it worked. But I got stopped out because there was another move down before actually the real doing the real move, right? That's how Bitcoin goes. A lot of people would short here and then they get squeezed, and then a lot of people would get long here, just a fake out, and then they all the people who long here would just get crushed again, get stopped out, and then people retails would like short here. If you could see it in the order flow, and the big longs would just come up and just squeeze them all out. Now th- they are at our two red boxes, my short boxes. But the first one didn't work, but the second one definitely worked. I think it got like a 1% move. So if you use 10x, that's like 10% from your margin. That's a good short, I would say. But let's delete this now because Bitcoin is about to break above that level. I wanna remove this tapped weekly too, and this tap daily. All right. So let's go into the daily time frame. Um, I think this is gonna break out, guys. The moment we get above this, so if you want to long right now, obviously we would want like for us to do something like that and finally break out, right? So I'm gonna save that, and we gotta be careful here though. The reason why you just don't want to long aggressively, you want a proper break above the level and back test and strong buys at a higher low. That's where you want to long, because if you long here, long, and then you just get stopped out, raise your money, and then the real move happens, right? So you gotta watch out for that. All right. So if looking at the lower time frames, if you wanna um a long continuation for the breakout, okay. So let's pull some volume profile. I would like that. Let me try. What about if I actually include all the way down here to here? Hmm. Okay. This might actually be something. This might actually be a play right here. So let's check that. Let's include that. What if we don't include that? Hold on. Okay, so definitely the point of control right now is above this level. But if we only do that and here, okay, I have some ideas already. And let's check this here. Okay, so let me actually include this. If this is a range, so I'd include that. Uh, let's include this. All right. So if you want to get into a long today, I already know where to actually look. So daily open would be your best bet for today. I would say we got a point control of this range. We got VWAP right there. So anywhere from this level, I would say best way to long. And then even I would say even the weekly open, but there's no volume up. I mean, if we want to go higher, right? We wouldn't want to lose weekly open and previous day equilibrium. So um I don't want to long here because I feel like if we lose this daily low, I feel like we're going for this point of control there and this previous day equilibrium. So we got a strong level here, previous day equilibrium plus monthly open. So that's the two longs um, on my plan today, I would say. So uh, if we do get like a pullback before NFP, wait, is NFP today? Hold on. Today. Yes, it's today. So around 8:30 before the market opens. That's we got ISM too. It's gonna be fun trading today. So this is your best bet today and this one. If we do lose the daily low, we might just flush everybody out and then PM session could just hit previous day equilibrium and pump. Or if not, I think this is just gonna keep going up. Remember, trend is always your friend, so you can always just look for a pullback and then long that. Or like what I said earlier, um proper pump, then back test before going higher. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you do have some questions, please let me know in the comments down below. We also have a Discord group. Make sure to subscribe, boys, if you want to follow my journey, if you want to get some free TA for crypto and stocks. So, yeah. For my Solana, for Solana, if you guys want Solana, I can give you guys Solana. Hold on. For Solana, if you want a continuation long, your best bet would be, let's see. Let's check that. Sorry, it tapped though. So, okay. Wait, let me reload this. Okay, when reload. Sorry about that. All right, so for Solana, man, it's just going up because the ETF started trading yesterday. Okay, so your best bet will be, yeah, probably VWAP. You also got monthly open there. So if you do get a quick flush down, it's like trending right now. So you could long here or even daily open with plus with the point of control right there. That will be your best continuation longs. Let me just mark it out. And this one. Yeah, VWAP, previous day high, monthly open, previous week high. That has to give something, right? But if not, we got value area high right there. We got white weekly. Just watch. Wait for a reaction. 15-minute setup. Wait for a breaker and long. All right. So this is the resistance that I told you guys. We got a naked paint point of control up here, 157. So yeah. That is it for this video. I am long and strong, hoping this to take 160. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye.